Looking for the best wall trimmers for men in 2025? In this video, we'll be reviewing and comparing the top-rated wall trimmers on the market, helping you make an informed decision on which one is right for you. From cordless to corded, and from budget-friendly to premium, we'll cover it all. Whether you're looking for a trimmer for a clean shave, a neat beard, or a stylish haircut, we've got you covered. So, what are you waiting for? Watch until the end to find out which wall trimmer is the best for men in 2025. Number 1. The Wall Color Pro Cordless Clipper features color-coded combs and a matching guide for easy size selection. It offers corded or cordless use with a rechargeable battery lasting up to 60 minutes. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades are removable and rinsable for easy cleaning. Includes a full set of color-coded guards, accessories, step-by-step instructions, and a hard storage case. Ideal for at-home haircuts with worldwide voltage support, 110s-240V. Number 2. Wall Rechargeable Cord/Cordless Hair Clipper Kit. Take control of your haircuts at home with this 21-piece grooming kit. It features removable stainless steel blades, 60 minutes of cordless runtime, and worldwide voltage, 100-240V, for travel. You get 12 guide combs, 1/16 to 1, plus accessories like scissors, comb, oil, and a hard case. Use it corded or cordless, perfect for precise, professional-style cuts at home. Number 3. Wall Rechargeable Cordless Groomsman Beard and Nose Hair Trimmer. This trimmer is an all-in-one grooming kit ideal for trimming beards and nose hair. It features self-sharpening blades, 7 guide combs, ranging from 1/16 to 1/2, and a 6-position adjustable comb, making it easy to style your beard the way you like. Key features: cordless and rechargeable, up to 60 minutes of battery life, worldwide voltage, usable in any country. Nose hair trimmer, battery operated with a washable rotary head, easy to clean and store. Trusted brand, used by professionals since 1919. Number 4. Wall USA Lithium Ion Beard Trimmer Kit. This advanced beard trimmer features lithium-ion technology for up to 3x runtime, 3 hours, 2x torque, 1 minute quick charge, and 1 hour full charge, far better than standard trimmers. The 14-piece kit includes 3 heads, beard/mustache trimmer, precision detail, and rotary ear/nose trimmer, 3 guide combs, 1/16, 3/16, 10 position, 12 to 20 millimeters, 6 position, 1/16, 1/2. Beard comb, oil, brush, blade guard, soft case and charger. Number 5. Wall Stainless Steel Beard and Nose Hair Trimmer with Shaver. This premium, USA-made grooming kit features a sleek slate design and powerful lithium-ion 2.0 plus battery, offering 3.5 hours of cordless runtime and worldwide voltage support, ideal for home or travel. Key features: 4 heads, T-blade, beard/body, detailer, rotary nose/ear, dual foil shaver, self-sharpening blades for long-lasting performance, 10 guide combs, 1/16 to 1/2 plus 2 mm, 21 mm adjustable, travel lock feature to prevent accidental activation, 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Care tips: only rinse detachable heads, not the body. Use the cleaning brush and oil blades regularly. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.